Hi there. Everyone to uninstall Internet Explorer, but you just can't know how to do it? Well, this video is for you. In this video, we're going to be showing how to uninstall Internet Explorer 11 for your computer. So, with the first thing we have to do, we have to go to Start menu, Windows System, and then click on Control Panel. Go to Programs, Programs and Features. Turn Windows features on or off. Untick the ball where it says Internet Explorer 11. You might get this. It's not going to hurt anything. Click Yes. Click OK. And then restart your computer, and now you will no longer have Internet Explorer 11 on your Windows 10 operating system. And now, from now on, you will just use newer browsers to get on the internet and do safer things, because Internet Explorer has been security risk, has too many security risks, too much bad stuff happening. So now it's time to uninstall it. And then also now you can confirm by typing Explorer. See, now it's not your system anymore. You are safe from vulnerabilities from now on. And that's it. So now to wrap up things, we know how to uninstall Explorer, we know how to use these, and that's pretty much all we do. So let's wrap up. If you like this video, hit subscribe and leave a comment down below what else we should do on this channel. And as always, goodbye.